The second mistake marketers make when starting content marketing is focusing on wrong keywords or not having focus at all within their content. Keywords are the most important for conversion rate, click-through rate, open rate, and basically anything related to create an effective content marketing strategy. Therefore, if your content marketing strategy has wrong keyword targeting, you will be driving different website traffic that will not convert because they are not your buyers. Like for example, my blog is about business marketing, but if my keywords will be mostly around business finance and operation, then my traffic or users are not the people who I want to attract to convert them for my products and services. Therefore, my content marketing would be ineffective. So, how can you fix that? First, you need to find related keywords to your business. So, ask yourself a question, what's my business about? For example, my business is about selling exotic coffee, or my business is about helping businesses with finance. Then take the two most important words or three, which are exotic coffee and business finance. Then use one of the keyword research tools, like for example keywordtool.io, where you put the keyword exotic coffee and you got plenty of ideas. Also, you can choose questions or prepositions. The same applies to Ubersuggest. Or my favorite keyword research tool, Amazon Kindle Store ebooks. Simply go to Amazon Kindle Store, use the keyword, select the most rated book, click on the look inside and find table of contents, and you will have plenty of ideas. Or even better, buy the book and read it, and you have enough keywords for your content marketing. Also, I have talked about more about the keywords and how to select them in this video, so check it out. And that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more how to grow your digital marketing effectively. Like this video if you like it, and leave a comment below what was your biggest mistake when you started content marketing. And also, don't forget to check out all my links in the description where I leave some cool tools for content marketing, SEO and digital marketing. Ciao!